Hello everyone. As in the previous session, we have discussed many transactions related to rectification of error. Now in this session, we will continue with some more types of errors. Here the error will be of error of recording. Example, rectify the following errors. First transaction is credit sale of 1800 to Mohan was recorded as 8100. So in this transaction, the amount of goods which was sold to Mohan was 1800, but it was recorded in his account as 8100. So for the solution, we will make 4 columns. First column will be of wrong entry, then reverse entry, then correct entry, and at last rectifying entry. It is important to note that these 3 columns is of your working notes. Solution part is rectifying entry. So in examination also you will have to just write solution part. This will be your working notes. Now in this transaction, wrong entry is credit sales to Mohan. So the entry will be Mohan account debit to sales account, and the amount which was recorded in Mohan's account was 8100. So in a wrong entry we will write the amount 8100. Next we will write correct entry. The correct entry for this transaction will be Mohan account debit to sales account, and the right amount was 1800. So we will write 1800 in the correct entry. Now in this column, which is reverse entry, we will reverse the entry which we have written in wrong column. So reverse entry for Mohan account debit to sales account will be sales account debit to Mohan account, and the amount is 8100. Now to rectify this entry, we will see the reverse entry and the correct entry. So here, sales account is debited with 8100, and in correct entry, sale account is credited with 1800. So net effect of sales account will be 6300. So we will, by rectifying the entry, we will debit the sales account. Sales account will be debited with the amount 8100 minus 1800, which is 6300. 6300 is the net effect. Next, Mohan account is credited with 8100, and in correct entry Mohan's account is debited with 1800. So we will credit Mohan's account again with the net effect of 6300. So this is how you have to rectify the entry. This will be your working notes and this will be the solution part. And the narration for this entry will be being error rectified. This narration will be for all the rectifying entries. Now, second transaction is credit sale of 1800 to Mohan was recorded as sales to Ram. So here in wrong entry, we will write credit sales to Ram. Ram account debit to sales account. Amount is 1800. This is the wrong entry. Correct entry will be credit sales to Mohan. So entry will be Mohan account debit to sales account, and the amount is 1800. Now the reverse entry of wrong entry will be sales account debit to Ram account. Amount is 1800 and 1800. So here we can see in reverse entry and in correct entry, sale account is debited with the amount 1800, and here sale account is credited with the amount 1800. So to rectify this entry, we will debit sales account, as there is no net effect because the amount is same. So we will write 1800 on debit side to correct entry was Mohan account. So we will credit Mohan's account with the amount 1800. Narration will be being error rectified. Next transaction is credit sale of rupees 1700 to Asha, recorded as sale to Usha as 1700. So in this transaction, sale which was made to Asha is recorded as sale made to Usha. And the second error is of amount. Sale was of rupees 1700, but it was wrongly recorded as 7100. So the wrong entry is credit sale to Usha. Entry will be Usha account debit to sales account, and the amount is 7100. Correct entry will be sale made to Asha, Asha account debit to sales account, and the amount will be 1700. Now the reverse of wrong entry will be sales account debit to Usha account 7100. Now in rectifying entry, we will first see the reverse entry and the current entry column. So here sale is debited with the amount 7100, and in correct entry sale is credited with the amount 1700. So here to rectify this entry, we will debit sales account with the net effect of 7100 minus 1700 is 5400. Next is Asha's account is debited in correct entry. So to rectify this entry, we will debit Asha's account, because Asha's account was supposed to be debited as sale was made to Asha. So the amount will be 1700 to Usha's account, and the amount is 7100. Narration will be being error rectified. Now next transaction is credit sale of 2000 to Mohan was recorded in purchases book. Now sale has been made and it is wrongly recorded in purchases book instead of sales book. So the wrong entry will be purchases account debit to Mohan account. Amount is 2000, and the correct entry should be credit sale to Mohan. That means Mohan account debit to sales account. Amount is 2000 and 2000. Now reverse of wrong entry will be Mohan account debit to purchases account. Amount is 2000. To rectify this entry, we will see the reverse entry and the correct entry. So here Mohan's account is debited with 2000, and here Mohan, in correct entry also Mohan's account is debited with 2000. So in rectifying entry, we will debit Mohan's account with the amount 4000, as 2000 is in reverse entry and in correct entry it is 2000. So 2000 plus 2000 is 4000. To sales account 2000, and to purchases account 2000. Now fifth transaction is credit sale of old furniture to Sohan for rupees 1800 was recorded in sales book as 8100. So in this transaction, sale of furniture was made to Sohan, but it was recorded in sales book, not in furniture's book. So the wrong entry will be sale made to Sohan. Sohan account debit to sales account, and the amount is 8100. Correct entry will be credit sale of old furniture to Sohan. So Sohan account debit to furniture account, and the amount will be 1800. So here reverse entry for this wrong entry will be sales account debit to Sohan's account. Amount will be 8100 and 8100. So in rectifying entry, we will see the reverse entry column and correct entry column. Sohan's account is credited with 8100 in reverse entry, and here in current entry, Sohan's account is debited with 1800. So net effect of Sohan's account will be 6300. So we will credit Sohan's account with 6300. Next, sales account is debited with 8100. So in rectifying entry, we will debit sales account as 8100, and furniture account will be credited with 1800 to furniture account. Amount will be 1800. Being error rectified. Now here is the last transaction, which is credit sale of 2400 to Krishna was recorded in purchases return book as 4200. So here credit sale has been made to Krishna, but it is recorded in purchase return book. So the wrong entry will be Krishna account debit to purchases return account, and the amount is 4200. Correct entry will be credit sales to Krishna. So Krishna account debit to sales account. Amount is 2400. Reverse entry for this wrong entry will be purchases return account debit to Krishna account 4200. Now rectifying entry will be Krishna account is credited with the amount 4200, and correct entry Krishna account is debited with 2400. That means if in correct entry Krishna account is debited, in rectifying entry we will credit Krishna account to Krishna account. Net effect will be 4200 minus 2400, which is 1800. Purchases return account will be debited with the amount 4200, and sales account will be credited with the amount 2400. Relation will be being error rectified. So this is how question based on these transactions is solved. With this, we have completed all the transactions related to the rectification of error. In the next session, we'll continue with some practical question based on rectification of error. That's all for today. Thank you.